We are tracking some strong thunderstorms out there in portions of North Georgia, mostly north of the gnat line, although some stronger storms now passing just south of Augusta. These thunderstorms could pack a punch for our area later on this afternoon in the form of damaging winds and hail. Most of us are under marginal risk. Parts of us are under slight risk. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. Let's get you out the door this morning. It is quite muggy. We had some very comfortable starts this weekend, albeit hot in the afternoon, mid to upper 90s. But the starts were in the mid-60s. Not this morning. We are about 10 degrees warmer, so we're talking mid-70s. It is air you can wear this morning. Low 80s already at 10 o'clock, low 90s at 1 o'clock, and then the showers and storms really do take over from mid to late afternoon, cooling us back down into the 80s. It's really going to be our best chance of rain here for the work week as it looks like right now. You can see there will be a fair amount of clouds to start off the day, and then the showers and storms start to percolate between 1 and 2. And the focus here with our model is along Highway 82, pretty much west of I-75 initially. As we go into the 3 to 4 o'clock hour, everything should start to sag farther south, though, as we head into the latter portion of the afternoon and evening. So there's the risk levels across the region. Most of us are a marginal risk, but there are parts in the slight risk. You can see stretching just off to the east of Tifton, over towards Fitzgerald and Douglas. You're under slight risk, 15% chance of damaging winds and hail. Everyone else in the green, 5% chance damaging winds and hail, and that goes from 1 to 9 o'clock. Now, your evening planner calls for those scattered thunderstorms to continue right through the 10 to 11 o'clock hour, cooling us down. Again, this is going to be the best opportunity for us to pick up rain. It looks like this work week here in Albany. Point south, we may have a better chance later on this week. We'll explain why here in a little bit. 30% chance of shower or storm generally after midnight, and then we'll be drier. There's the front. That's going to dry us out, so the humidity levels will drop tomorrow here across most of South Georgia as this front sags all the way down into Florida. But you notice it stalls. That's a stationary. There's a lot of tropical moisture that is going to overtake the Florida peninsula. They're expecting up to a foot of rainfall this work week, so it is going to be a soaker. And there is this elongated trough which will turn into a broad area of low pressure in the Gulf, just continue to pump in the moisture across Florida. Now, this is the delineation between the deep tropical moisture south and the drier air north, and you can see it's pretty close to us, and it has a better potential of getting those communities that live along the Florida state line to get into some more appreciable rainfall. We're going to keep the rain chances kind of on the slight side through the rest of the work week and into this weekend. It won't be until Father's Day that we'll see a greater chance of rain across our area. Less humidity tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the one dry day. We cannot rule out an isolated shower storm, 71 to 91. Humidity levels are dropping. You can see that reflected in the morning low on Wednesday, 67. But then we'll bring back the heat and the humidity. Low 90s, 30% chance showers and storms Thursday, Friday. Mid 90s, you're going to feel in some cases like it's over 100. So all of a sudden, just like that, summer. That's summer weather. That's what we got going on. But we're going to be watching that area to our south in the Gulf for any tropical development. We'll talk more about that in the rest of your forecast on Today, George, from 5 to 7 a.m. Of course. We'll see you then.